true lover's walk.
So plants, like on a house, they get dusty and your plant can't breathe properly through the dust. So every so often I give my plants a wash. I'm just going to give them a quick shower just to rinse it out. Get rid of most of the dust off the leaves. And then I use, fingers, some cotton wool pads, and I just gently wipe down each leaf.
And this is a peace plant, and we've just found out that they do help to reduce condensation as well.
So, as you can see probably now, as I'm going through, it's getting no longer white. So it does get quite a bit on at times, but it is, like I said, a little while since I've done them. Normally in summer I normally do it about once a month.
Now, a couple of years ago we put 2 screens up on our upper deck. These measure the temperatures on our exhaust headers. Now, they've been working absolutely perfectly up until sometime this year. We were getting 1 or 2 little glitches. That was mainly due to all the connections being a little bit Heath Robinson. So we've been making some changes. There's the unit out, and what I've done is I've integrated everything onto the back of the unit. Now, that's been possible by going from this, which is an Arduino Uno board, down to this. Leave them there. That is an Arduino Nano board, so we have gone much smaller, and that's allowed me to integrate the whole thing onto the back of the display unit. And so we've got the top display there, bottom display down here, got some breakout boards, which is just to simplify the wiring. So the Arduino Nano sits on the top of that, clips in. We've only got 4 wires now instead of 12 coming back, and then we've got then for the starboard side the plug from the thermistor that comes in, power line, and then the actual signal line with a 100k resistor, and that's the same on the port side one as well. A much simpler and neater solution, and it doesn't show up very well in this light on camera, but they're both working around about 11 degrees at the moment, so quite cool. Well, the storms of last week were a beautiful day. It's Sunday and the yachts are out racing in the winter series.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
First frosts of the winter. Not bad. We're middle of November. We've normally seen them before now. And here we are in Yarm. Down on the banks of the River Tees. True Lovers Walk. In just a few miles, this tranquil river ends up at T-Spot. It's the River Tees. So the railway viaduct runs right through the Yarm. Clearly flooding isn't just a modern day problem. The floods back in the 1700s were pretty devastating for this little town. Back in Hartlepool, we have a very good example of square waves where you get reverb coming off a wall. Never spoken this. So we're just waiting for the blast furnace at Redcar to be flattened. It's due to go off at 9 AM. Just a couple of minutes or so to go. And typically the rain's coming in